The rain poured down over the city of circuits, but inside the central power station, a little electric cell was vibrating with energy. "All right, team, it's time to light up the beacon," the cell announced, pointing to its two exit gates, the high-energy positive terminal, plus V, and the ground-level negative terminal, minus V. A crowd of energetic little spark particles gathered at the positive gate, buzzing with excitement. Their mission was clear: march through the city and power up the local lights. Suddenly, a giant metal bridge lowered before them. It was the switch. With a loud click, the bridge snapped shut, completing the loop. "The road is secure!" the switch shouted down. "Go, go, go!" The sparks surged out of the positive gate and dashed down the highway. The road was made of smooth copper, a fantastic conductor that let them glide along effortlessly. On either side of the highway stood massive rubber walls. These were the insulators, standing tall and keeping the sparks safely on track so they wouldn't wander off the path. Up ahead, the road split toward two different landmarks. First, a group of sparks took the path toward the old incandescent lamp. As they entered, the wide highway suddenly narrowed into a microscopic, twisted thread of tungsten wire called the filament. "Whoa, it's getting tight in here!" a spark yelled, bumping into the atoms around him. The friction was intense. The filament began to shake, getting hotter and hotter by the millisecond, until boom! It erupted into a brilliant, warm, golden glow, illuminating the neighborhood. Meanwhile, another group of sparks headed toward the high-tech LED sector. Standing at the gate was a strict security guard blocking the entrance. "Halt!" the guard ordered, looking at the LED's two connection pins. "We only take one-way traffic here. Is your longer positive wire hooked up to the cell's positive side?" "Yes, sir," the lead spark replied. "And is the shorter negative wire connected back to the negative side?" "Sure is." "Perfect alignment," the guard smiled, waving them through. The sparks zoomed through the LED in a single flash, instantly bursting into a vivid, cool green light without wasting a single drop of heat. Having completed their work, the sparks raced down the final stretch of the highway, cheering as they crossed the finish line into the cell's negative terminal, ready to rest up before the circuit blueprint called them to march again,